Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy with SciPy Integration. In this video, you'll learn how NumPy serves as the foundation for SciPy, one of the most powerful scientific computing libraries in Python. Understanding this relationship is crucial for anyone looking to work with advanced scientific and mathematical computations. SciPy is a scientific computing library built on top of NumPy. It provides advanced algorithms for optimization, integration, interpolation, signal processing, and much more. The key thing to understand is that SciPy doesn't replace NumPy, it extends it. Every function in SciPy uses NumPy arrays as its fundamental data structure. Let's understand the relationship between these two libraries. NumPy provides arrays and basic mathematical operations. It's the foundation. SciPy then uses these NumPy arrays to perform advanced scientific computations. Think of NumPy as the building blocks and SciPy as the specialized tools that work with those blocks. Before we can use these libraries, we need to install them. You can install both NumPy and SciPy together using a single pip install command. Simply type pip install numpy SciPy. This will download and install both libraries along with their dependencies. Here's how you import and use these libraries together. First, import NumPy as NP and SciPy. Then, import specific modules from SciPy, like stats. Notice how we create data using NumPy's array function and then pass that NumPy array to SciPy's tmean function. This demonstrates the seamless integration between the two libraries. SciPy is organized into several specialized modules. SciPy.optimize provides function optimization and root finding algorithms. SciPy.integrate offers numerical integration methods. SciPy.stats contains statistical distributions and hypothesis tests, and SciPy.signal provides tools for signal processing. Each of these modules works directly with NumPy arrays. Let's look at a practical optimization example. Here, we import the minimize function from SciPy.optimize. We define an objective function that uses NumPy operations. Then, we call minimize with our function and an initial guess. Notice how the objective function uses x to the power of 2 and NumPy's sin function. This is NumPy and SciPy working together. Here's another example using statistical analysis. We import stats from SciPy and create two NumPy arrays called data1 and data2. Then, we perform an independent t-test using SciPy's t-test_int function. The function takes our NumPy arrays and returns the t-statistic and p-value. This shows how NumPy arrays are the standard input format for SciPy functions. Now you understand why NumPy is so important for SciPy. First, NumPy provides efficient array operations that SciPy builds upon without NumPy's speed. SciPy couldn't handle large datasets. Second, all SciPy functions accept and return NumPy arrays, creating a consistent interface. Finally, understanding NumPy is essential for mastering SciPy. You can't effectively use one without knowing the other. Thank you for watching this tutorial on NumPy with SciPy Integration. You now understand how these two libraries work together to enable powerful scientific computing in Python. Start building your own scientific applications by combining NumPy's efficient arrays with SciPy's advanced algorithms. Happy coding!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.